Alright, so we're just going to prepare for some of the backend for having multiple channels. So let's go ahead and open the terminal. In here, I'm just going to create a controller in here called channel controller. Show channel controller to be specific. And also just use this as Livewire component. So let's go ahead and do that instead. Let's call this channel. And what we want to go ahead and do then is inside web.php is that we want to pass through channel and we want to pass through the username. So basically, what we should be able to do is we should just be able to pass through a user, and in here we can just say username. We can say channel. Not going to work on designing the channel in here, but we're just gonna for now make sure that we can at least go ahead and view it. So we're gonna say channel show. Inside this class here, we want to take in a public instance of a user, which is going to be required. And then we want to go ahead later on and work on some more features to specify what is required when you go on a channel. So let's go into channel.blade.php. And all I really want to go ahead and do right now is just create the very basic outline in here. So first div can be empty and there doesn't need to be anything in it. And the second one needs to be a flex. And we need a flex with a justify between. We're going to be working on the contents of the channel in the next episode, but for now, just to make sure we have everything we need here. And then we need something with an empty of 5. And then here we just need some X tabs. Like that. It's going to be users tab. And we will just, for now, just create a user tabs in here. Just like that. And that's going to be home instead of user tab. But now we'll just put it like that. And in here, where we have to justify between, we're going to have everything from the logo to the subscriber count and so on. And in here, we're going to have the banner. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you.